Good morning. It is a very chilly December day. We are finally in the month of December. Hey, buddy. Just doing some morning ulcer guard for our lovely patient Noah before I get started with feeding. Everybody has some hay. So it's the first super cold day here, and probably going to be the first very consistently cold week. As I mentioned to you guys in the last vlog, I tidied up flour and I have to clip and tidy up Rex today, so I'll be doing that in the vlog, and just hopefully some other chores today. Given that it got pretty cold pretty fast, I'm going to give everyone warm mashes this morning. But if you guys have been following the vlog for a little while, you know that in the wintertime I tend to give soupy, wet, warm meals unless a horse won't eat it. I tend to try to keep them hydrated. And then if need be, I'll add in electrolytes and whatnot. But we're gonna go from there. As you can see, making warm bee pulp mashes for everyone is a lot, but that way I know that they're hydrated and getting a nice warm meal in the morning. I'd also like to introduce you guys to some more of the horses today, so I'm super excited about that. But I'm going to start with bringing some horses in and get the first morning crew fed, and then we'll go from there. Just putting Flower's Arc Equine and her back on track boots on. So the first horse that I want to introduce you guys today has, I don't think, had any formal introduction on the blog. He is one of our boarder's new horses, and his name is Forrest. Hey, buddy. He wants cookies, and I don't have any. Forrest is, I believe, an Oldenburg thoroughbred cross. I could be wrong, but hi, buddy. He just moved in probably 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago. He's 7, so he's still a little bit of a baby. But he's a fun guy. He loves everybody, wants to make lots of friends. And I'm gonna add his back on track on under his turnout sheet so that he can go out and stay extra warm. He's really cute when he wants cookies. You get to put your blankies on. As you can see, he's very tall. So that's something I'm kind of adjusting to. We don't have a lot of tall horses in the barn. And because he's young, he's kind of a stinker, which is why it's a little hard to film things around him. He's still a baby, so he's still learning a lot. Okay, so for real, time to feed horses, and then we'll get back to meeting horses. I always make sure Queen of Flower eats first because she's very picky. Okay, so things got a little busy this morning, but I have a couple stalls to muck now, and then I'm gonna start Rex's clip. Rex is one of my boss's competition horses as well. He is homebred by her, and he is an Irish sport horse. Rexy. Oh. I'm sure you guys have met him before. He's 12. And he is currently going training level with my boss and coach, and at some point he will be going prelim. He's already been training for it, and Flower is hopefully the horse that's gonna first take my coach around, and then hopefully she'll be able to train Rex to go. Oh, he's very sassy when he's not getting what he wants. Yeah, hi. Is that time for dinner? So I'm gonna muck a couple stalls, and then I have to clip him and start tidying him up. Okay, it's time to start clipping the beast. I don't know that I'll get it all done today, but I'm gonna try. Might do his body today and then do his legs tomorrow. What do you think, Rexy? Do you not know what to think of the camera? So we have a pretty busy week next week for my coach and my boss. Tuesday, she's going to be doing a clinic with both her horses, Flower and Rex, with Boyd Martin. And then next Friday and Saturday, my boss and I are taking Doppler and Flower to a Laney clinic. I get to do a flat lesson with Laney, and then I get to do a jump school with Laney, so I'm super excited about that. It's been one of my biggest dreams to go and do a clinic with Laney and get some of her coaching. Okay, so I'm gonna start clipping this guy now. I'm gonna give him a blanket clip. I may or may not get to his legs today. We'll see. Well, I messed up like 5 minutes in and automatically started doing a body clip, so now he's getting a full body clip instead of a blanket clip, as you can see, the saddle pad mark. So here we are. Really embarrassing. Okay, so I'm gonna give Rex a break so that he can breathe, my clippers can cool, he can have some food since we're almost halfway done. And then I'm gonna introduce you guys to 2 more horses and then we'll go from there. I still cannot believe that I was supposed to do a blanket clip and I just started doing a full body clip. I don't know, my brain is mush today and I'm frustrated I messed that up, but at least it was Rex and not Flower because usually we full body clip Rex anyways, so. Oh well. Also gonna clean up this giant mess behind me so that I can wash and rewrap Noah's leg. So the other 3 horses I want you guys to meet today are Norman. I think you guys have met Norman before. Again, I talk about these guys a lot, but Norman is a halflinger that we rescued. He actually foundered before. He is very happy and sound to do flat work and jump, but he just has a very specific special diet at this point. Right, Norman? Oof, so cute. So he's one of our lesson ponies here at the farm. He is a super fun horse to ride, and he's so good. So this is Dexter. He is a paint horse. He's 11. He's one of our boarders horses. He is a cool little guy and got a lot of pep in his step. He's a black and white paint. There's not much else to say about him, but he's a cool little dude. So the last horse that I wanted to introduce you guys to today is Whiskey. He is another one of our boarders horses. He's been through a lot. I feel like I've talked about him on the vlog before. He's been through 2 colic surgeries in his life. One while he's been at the farm here. He is some type of Connemara cross, and he is just made such awesome recovery from his colic surgeries, and he is a super cool dude. He goes around novice eventing with his mom, and he just looks like such a fun ride. Oh, hi! Did you hear we were coming? Hey, buddy. So this is Whiskey. He's 22, and man, he's rocking around like a fun young teenager again. So we're really happy for him, and he's a cool guy. So I feel like at this point, I've probably covered not quite 2/3 of the herd, maybe half. We'll go with half. Probably half of the crew, but that's all I have for you guys today. I'm quite busy. I gotta get some hand walking for Noah done, some more body clipping, some more lessons, some more PM chores. So I'm probably gonna get back to it, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon.